Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting at the lawn edge now. Put on eye and ear protection and clear rocks. Hold the trimmer perpendicular to the ground and position the guard at the turf line so you can see the transition. Feed or check the line, then test a quick spin to confirm direction. Once done, begin with short passes into the soil. This creates a clean cut and prevents tearing. Make sure to maintain a steady wrist and comfortable stance so you control depth and angle. You now refine the edge by using smooth, sweeping strokes. Keep the trimmer at waist height to balance power and visibility. Move in 2 3-foot sections so each pass overlaps the last, creating a continuous trench. When you need a vertical face, tilt the head slowly and make light passes rather than trying to gouge the ground, because that prevents clumps and root damage. Once done with a run, step back and inspect the line. Fix low spots with another controlled pass. Finish by removing clippings and using a flat shovel to crisp the lip for a polished look. You can also run the mower wheel along the edge for compaction. If the edge looks ragged, replace worn line or sharpened blades. Dull cutters tear grass. Make sure soil isn't rock hard. Slightly moistened ground cuts cleaner. If things still go wrong, back off and make multiple shallow passes instead of one deep cut. This reduces strain on the trimmer and yields a straighter, neater edge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.